Hi, it's me again with Corel Draws, Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about this very easy interlocking ring. But if you watch the other video, there's a lot of parts that we have to move over. So what you can do is use Find and Replace. Go to Edit, Find and Replace, and you don't have to edit the query. You can pick that green from Selection, Find All. And in that short of time, Control G to group it together, click off of it. You don't have to move it over, but we will. And remember, we had some lines in the second one. So we're going to go to Object, Ungroup. And I don't know if you can see the lines, but there's some really faint lines in there. So what we can do is weld them together. And then at that time, we put a black outline around it. Double click on your outline pen, make a little bit, and actually show it off. Now we're going to do the same thing for the red. Pick a red from Selection, Find All. Takes just a second, it's finding all. There are 20 things it had to find that you were going to have to move. Control G to group it. Move it out of the way. You don't have to, but I like moving things out of the way. And then break them apart. Ungroup them so we can weld them. I think I've already welded the blue. Yeah. So now we can take like both these, select the pen tool, go to that 0.625 in black. Wow, what happened there? See, I've got some hidden lines from our contours and stuff. So now we can let's do one at a time. Take that, 0.625 in black. Now we have an outline. Same thing there, 0.625. It's already black. Now you've got an outline. Now all we have to do is grab that, nudge it over, grab that, nudge it over, and you have interlocking rings with black lines around them. So you notice that the blue goes over, under, and maybe the gap's a little bit too much. I could have contoured a little less on the first video, but that's a pretty cool design. You could Control G and group it together and rotate it 45 degrees and get a totally different look. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.